Have you ever tried to learn English with pressure? Maybe you told yourself, I must speak perfectly. I must not make mistakes. I must be fluent fast. And then you felt tired. Maybe you opened a video. You listened for 5 minutes. Then you stopped. You felt slow. You felt not good enough. Today, I want to try something different with you. Today, we will train your English with love, not with fear, not with pressure, with love. Take a slow breath. Inhale, exhale. Feel your shoulders relax. English is not your enemy. It is just a language, and you can learn it calmly. Think about this. When you talk to a close friend, do you worry about every small mistake? No, you just speak. So why are you so strict with yourself in English? Pause for a moment. Think about it. Maybe you learned English in a classroom. Maybe the teacher corrected every mistake. Maybe you felt shy when you spoke. That feeling can stay inside you. But today, we change that feeling. Imagine this. You wake up in the morning. You sit with a cup of tea or coffee. The house is quiet. You open this podcast. You do not rush. You just listen. You say one simple sentence. Today I will speak calmly. Repeat. Today I will speak calmly. Feel how soft that sentence is. Calmly. Now let me tell you a small story. There was a learner. He wanted to speak English very fast. Every day, he watched many videos. He wrote long word lists. He tried to speak like a native speaker. But when someone asked him a simple question, he felt nervous. His mind went blank. One day, he changed his method. He stopped trying to be perfect. He started saying only 5 sentences a day. Simple sentences. I am learning English. I feel nervous, but it is okay. I will try again tomorrow. I spoke for 2 minutes today. I am improving slowly. That is all. After 1 month, something changed. He was not perfect, but he was calm, and calm people speak better. Now let us practice together. I will say a sentence. You repeat it slowly. I am learning with love. I am learning with love. Very good. Now in past tense. Yesterday, I practiced for 10 minutes. Yesterday, I practiced for 10 minutes. Good. Now future. Tomorrow, I will speak with more confidence. Tomorrow, I will speak with more confidence. Notice something. These sentences are not difficult, but they are powerful. When you speak kindly to yourself, your brain feels safe. And when your brain feels safe, you remember more. Think about your last week. Did you practice every day? If yes, feel proud of yourself. If not, it is okay. Say this. I can start again today. I can start again today. Smile a little. Your brain remembers small wins. Now imagine the situation. You are at work or school. Someone asks you a question in English. Your heart beats fast. You think, what if I say something wrong? Instead of running away, try this. Take 1 breath. Then say a simple sentence. Let me think for a moment. Let me think for a moment. This sentence gives you time. It is calm. It is natural. Training your English with love means giving yourself time, not pushing, not shouting inside your head, just trying. Now I want you to describe your feelings. Say this. Today, I feel a little tired. Today, I feel a little tired. Or maybe, today, I feel peaceful and focused. Today, I feel peaceful and focused. Good. Describing feelings is very important. When you can say how you feel, your English becomes real. Let us do a small challenge. For the next 7 days, say one feeling in English every morning. Just one. I feel happy. I feel stressed. I feel excited. I feel calm. 1 sentence a day is enough. Yes, 1 sentence is enough. Do not laugh at small steps. Small steps build strong habits. Now imagine your future self. You are speaking English in a simple conversation. You are not translating in your head. You're not afraid. You are calm. How does that feel? Take a moment. Say this. In the future, I will speak naturally. In the future, I will speak naturally. Beautiful. Training with love also means listening with patience. When you listen to English, do not try to understand every word. Listen for the feeling. Listen for the main idea. It is okay if you miss some words. You are not a machine. You are a learner, and learners grow step by step. Now place your hand on your chest. Say this slowly. I am proud of my effort. I am proud of my effort. Very good. Imagine this. You are at a cafe. You see a friend. You want to speak English. But your mind says, I cannot speak well. I will make mistakes. Take a slow breath. Calmly. Now let's practice together. I will say a dialogue. You repeat after me, slowly and gently. Hi, how are you today? Hi, how are you today? I am fine, thank you. And you? I am fine, thank you. And you? This is a simple conversation, but simple is powerful. Now imagine your friend asks, what did you do yesterday? Say this. Yesterday, I studied English for 10 minutes. Yesterday, I studied English for 10 minutes. Good. Now your friend smiles. She says, that is great. You feel happy, right? Small moments like this build confidence. Now, let us talk about social media. Do you scroll a lot? Maybe you see perfect posts. People speaking English perfectly. People traveling. People smiling. It is easy to compare. Easy to feel small. But here's a secret. Social media shows only parts of life, not the whole story. Your journey is your own, one step at a time. Try this sentence. I will focus on my own progress. I will focus on my own progress. Feel it in your chest. You are in charge of your learning. Now imagine a little challenge. Today, say one English sentence to someone, a neighbor, a friend, or even the mirror. Just one. For example, I am learning English. I am learning English. It is simple. It is calm. It builds courage. Let us do a small shadowing practice. I will speak slowly. You copy my voice and rhythm. I open the window. I see the sky. It is blue and calm. I feel relaxed. Repeat after me, slowly. I open the window. I see the sky. It is blue and calm. I feel relaxed. Notice how calm your voice feels. Good. Keep this feeling. Now, a short story for practice. There was a girl named Anna. She was shy. She wanted to speak English, but she was scared of mistakes. One day, she started small. She spoke one sentence every morning. Just one. I am happy today. I will try again. I like learning English. After 1 month, she spoke for 5 minutes without fear. The key was love, not pressure, not hurry, just love for learning. Now it is your turn. Imagine yourself like Anna. Start with one sentence. Say, I am improving every day. I am improving every day. Very good. You are calm. You are learning. Let us practice describing your surroundings. This is useful every day. Look around you. Describe one thing in English. For example, the sun is bright today. The cup is on the table. The chair is comfortable. Say one now. Repeat slowly. Yes, very good. Describing surroundings helps your brain connect English with real life. Not only words, but meaning. Now imagine tomorrow. You wake up and say one sentence in English before breakfast. I will speak slowly and calmly. I will speak slowly and calmly. One sentence a day is enough. Even small steps are big wins. Before we finish this chunk, let's do one more interactive exercise. Think about your feelings right now. One word, one sentence. I feel calm and ready. I feel calm and ready. Good. Smile. Your brain remembers small wins. Imagine this. You are planning your day tomorrow. You want to speak English. But a small fear appears. What if I cannot remember the words? What if I sound strange? Take a slow breath. Calmly. Now, let's practice a small conversation about tomorrow. I will speak slowly. Repeat after me. What will you do tomorrow? What will you do tomorrow? I will practice English for 10 minutes. I will practice English for 10 minutes. Good. Now your friend asks, will you speak with someone? Say, yes, I will speak with my friend. Yes, I will speak with my friend. Notice how simple sentences give you confidence. You do not need long, complicated phrases. Now let's add feelings. How do you feel about speaking English tomorrow? Say, I feel excited and a little nervous. I feel excited and a little nervous. Perfect. Feelings are important. Speaking about feelings makes conversations real. Now a gentle tip. Every day, choose one small action, one sentence, one conversation, 1 minute of practice. Small steps build habits. Habits build fluency. Try this sentence. 1 sentence a day is enough. 1 sentence a day is enough. Yes, even 1 sentence grows your brain and your courage. Now a short scenario. Imagine a friend calls you. You feel tired. You think, I do not want to speak English today. Instead, try this. I am tired, but I will speak for 1 minute. I am tired, but I will speak for 1 minute. You see, you are kind to yourself. You do not push too much. You still practice. That is training with love. Now, shadowing practice again. Copy my voice and rhythm. I drink tea slowly. I look outside. I see people walking. I feel calm. I breathe deeply. Repeat slowly, sentence by sentence. Notice your voice is calm. Your brain is relaxed. Good. Next, let's practice past tense in a small story. Yesterday, I woke up early. I drank coffee. I spoke 1 sentence in English. I felt proud. Repeat after me, slowly. Yesterday, I woke up early. Yesterday, I woke up early. I drank coffee. I drank coffee. I spoke 1 sentence in English. I spoke 1 sentence in English. I felt proud. I felt proud. Very good. Short stories like this are easy to remember. They also make English practical. Now, a mini challenge. Think about today. What did you do in English? Say 1 sentence aloud. For example, today I listened to a podcast. Today I wrote 1 sentence. Today I spoke slowly. Say your sentence now. Feel proud. Every small action counts. Every small win counts. Next, let's practice future tense again. Tomorrow, I will speak with calm and love. Try another one. Tomorrow, I will listen carefully. Tomorrow, I will listen carefully. Perfect. Notice how gentle future sentences make plans simple. You do not push. You prepare. You feel safe. Now, imagine 1 week from today. You speak 1 sentence every day. You repeat shadowing practice. You describe your feelings. You describe surroundings. Your English is growing. Slowly, calmly, with love. Say this aloud. I am improving every day. I am improving every day. Feel the pride. Small steps, gentle steps, build strong learning. Finally, a gentle tip. Use English in your daily life. Talk to yourself. Describe what you see. Describe what you feel. Make it small. Make it calm. Try this sentence. I noticed small details today. I noticed small details today. Every small sentence trains your brain. Every small win trains your heart. Now, let's practice a calm dialogue together. Imagine a simple daily conversation. I will speak slowly. You repeat after me. Good morning. How are you today? Good morning. How are you today? I am good. Thank you. I feel calm. I am good. Thank you. I feel calm. Your friend asks, what are you doing today? Say, I will practice English for 10 minutes. I will practice English for 10 minutes. Notice how simple and clear this conversation is. You do not need long sentences to speak naturally. Now, let's do shadowing again. Copy my voice and rhythm. I walk slowly in the park. I see green trees. I hear birds singing. I feel happy. I breathe slowly and deeply. Repeat slowly, sentence by sentence. Feel your voice calm. Feel your mind relaxed. This is how English becomes natural. Now, a short story about feelings. Yesterday, I felt a little nervous. I spoke slowly. I said 1 sentence. I felt proud. Repeat after me slowly. Yesterday, I felt a little nervous. Yesterday, I felt a little nervous. I spoke slowly. I spoke slowly. I said one sentence. I said one sentence. I felt proud. I felt proud. Good. Notice the power of small sentences. They build courage and habit. Next, a gentle tip for habit building. Every day, say one sentence. Every day, practice shadowing for 1 minute. Every day, describe one feeling. One sentence a day is enough. 1 minute of shadowing is enough. One description is enough. Say this aloud. Small steps build big progress. Notice the calm and smile. This is your practice, your time, your love for English. Finally, a closing practice. Repeat slowly. I am calm. I am confident. I am learning English with love. I am calm. I am confident. I am learning English with love. Feel proud of yourself. Smile. Your brain remembers wins. Remember, training your English with love is simple. Small sentences, calm practice, daily habit, kind self-talk. Do not rush. Do not pressure. 1 sentence a day is enough. Tomorrow, do one more small practice. Speak 1 sentence. Repeat shadowing. Describe a feeling. Your English grows slowly, calmly, and strongly. Thank you for practicing today. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more calm English practice. See you tomorrow. Keep loving your English. Keep speaking with calm and confidence. Take one last slow breath. Inhale, exhale, smile. You did it today.